Is Google stock GOOG still worth buying in 2025? Or is it heading for a crash? Let's break it down. In plain English, Google, or technically, Alphabet Inc., is one of the biggest tech companies on the planet, and its stocky ticker symbol GOOG is something many investors are watching closely right now. But in 2025, things have been a little shaky. In the last few months, GOOG stock has seen some ups and downs. Why? A few big reasons. Ad revenue is changing. YouTube and search are facing competition from TikTok, AI tools, and new platforms. AI investments. Google is spending billions on AI projects like Gemini. That's exciting, but risky too. Tech market pressure. Overall, the tech industry is going through major shifts, and investors are cautious. Still, there's a bright side. Google has strong cash reserves, owns some of the most used products in the world: search, Gmail, YouTube, and continues to expand in cloud services. So, should you buy? If you're a long-term investor, Google stock might still be a smart bet, especially when prices dip. But if you're looking for fast gains, GOOG may not be the roller coaster you want to ride. So, what's your take on GOOG stock in 2025? Comment below if you think it's a buy, sell, or hold. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, smart investing videos.